I was watering my plants and I found, to my surprise, this succulent was flowering. Now, she is nice and furry. The stem as well is kind of furry. I'm going to search for the name again and I'll put it in the title and I'll put the name on the bottom as well. Oh my gosh. I had her for like, I don't even know, almost 2 years, and like her leaves has dropped a lot. As you can see, her stem is kind of empty, but this was left, and oh my goodness. Now I believe these are roots hanging on this stem. I don't know if you can see it, but see that there's a little string there. I believe that's roots. There's roots there. So I'm thinking those are roots. So I don't want to break it off. I don't know, I'm afraid. But look at this. This is so cute. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. It is beautiful. All right, so I took her down. I wanted to just, oh my, it's beautiful. Look how gorgeous. So it has 3 flowers. It's just so cute. The tips are pinkish or orangey. Inside is yellow. It's so pretty. I'm just out of words. I mean, really, it's just gorgeous. And like I said, the stem, and this is the plant. The stem is kind of furry, brownish, and this as well is nice and soft and furry. I fell in love with it. It's just so cute. And out of my surprise, she gave me 3 flowers. Anyways, my friends, I wanted to show you my plants that are blooming and have surprised me so far. And I want to thank you all for your patience. These few weeks I've been very sick. I forgot to mention it in the other video. I was like more than 3 weeks with the flu. I don't know, I got the chills, I got the dizziness, I got everything. But still kind of not 100%, but my voice does sound better. Well, decided to do this 2 videos I wanted to share with you. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.